What? No! Give me my drink! You're gonna pay for that! Woo! Okay, I'm on fire today. Ric Flair, the Nature Boy. Now, you gave the soda machine a fair shot. That's right. I gave my corner, and it didn't give me the drink. I don't know what kind of world we're living in, but that soda machine sure picked the wrong can to mess with. Woo! Now, be honest, Rick. Does the machine have a chance tonight? No way. I'm gonna beat it like I own it. All night long. Woo! God bless America, and God bless Ric Flair. I haven't seen the crowd so wild since Nature Boy's last match with that polar bear. Yes, and tonight we have the soda machine in the ring. I tell you, he sure looks nervous, don't you think? Oh, wouldn't you be nervous? We're talking about the champion here. That's right, and here he comes, the Nature Boy, Ric Flair, making his way to the ring. He sure looks like he means business. Yeah, that was a real punk move eating his quarter like that. Ric's in the ring. He's looking over the crowd. Woo! Off comes the jacket. See how he's doing his stretches. Yeah, you gotta stretch, don't you? Oh, what's he doing? Oh, he's just taunting the soda machine. He's planning his move. There we go. Drops to the face. It's not working. He's gonna have to try a different tactic. Woo! Ah! Oh, that didn't work either. Ah! Oh, gosh. Nature Boy didn't know what hit him. Guess he should have done a few more stretches, huh? He's already up. Looks like the Nature Boy's in pain. Ah. That vending machine's still just standing there, as if to say, I'm still here. What's he gonna do now? Oh, he's gonna unplug it. He unplugged it. Woo! Woo! Ric Flair wins. I've lost it. I've lost reality. And when I lose reality, someone else pays the price of a lifetime. Woo! I can't believe it's over so fast.
Elliot, take out the trash, please.
I don't feel like it.
Elliot, I said please. Don't argue with me tonight.
I said I didn't feel like it, Dick Breath.
Take out the trash, then go to your room. You're grounded for a month.
I'm gonna get her back for this. I'm gonna run away. Then she'll be sorry. What's that? E.T. Hey, it's an alien. E.T. E.T.? I'm Elliot. You want to be friends? Let's go to my room. We can play. Okay, Elliot. 3, 2, 1. Ready or not, here I come. I think you're missing the point of hide and seek. You're supposed to hide, not just stand there. So what are you doing here? E.T. phone home. You going home? To outer space? Can I come with you? My mom's a real bitch. Okay. Awesome. When are we leaving? Soon. Tonight. Tonight? Yes. I can't wait to see your home planet. Me too. Do you guys have like bombs and stuff? You can like bomb this house? That would really show her. No. Mom! Mom, I told you to knock!
Oh no. An alien son of a bitch from outer space. Rick. It's Mary. I have a problem. I'll let you fuck my brains out if you just take care of this feces-looking bastard my son is hanging out with. Immediately.
Ric Flair, I know you have something to say to this kid Elliot, whose mom has called for an emergency match with the little green alien.
Elliot Thomas, I don't see Elliot Thomas out here today telling every kid here what he's gonna do to me. And that piece of trash E.T. is gonna be hurting. I can tell you that. I'll tell you why, Elliot Thomas. Because you are a hurting young cat. You've crossed the line with your mother, as I've said before, into no cat's land. And now you're gonna pay the price. Finding out what it's like to mess around with Slick Rick.
Shut up, Flair.
And if you fat lady in the front row wants me to shut up, you write me a check for $1 million, and I'll stay home and watch you do the program. Ooh. Now before Mary Thomas takes the ride of her life on Space Mountain, I'm gonna make E.T. my personal gardener. Because that's all his little green arms are gonna be worth after I break him in two. It's pushing my lawnmower. Woo! Tonight, E.T., I'm gonna be on the other side of the wall, listening to the doctors pull the stitches through your body. That's a promise. They're gonna see you broken. They're gonna hear you crying. Yeah, I wanna see it. You're through, E.T. God, I want you bad. Woo! Come on down, E.T., and see what the Nature Boy has got for you. This is it, isn't it, E.T.? Your ship. It's coming. I can see it. We're gonna go to your home planet. Yes.
Elliot.
No.
I said you were grounded. Now it's 2 months.
Mom, let me go. I want to go with E.T.
E.T., go home.
I don't think so.
Good evening, and welcome to the wrestling match to end all wrestling matches.
We've got Ric Flair versus E.T. the Extraterrestrial.
Oh, E.T., go home. Elliot, help me. Elliot, help.
You set this up, didn't you, Mom? Ah! E.T., no! And here comes Ric Flair, the Nature Boy. His eyes locked on his opponent, ready for war.
Yes, sir, I think E.T. is gonna want to buy some britches so we can change them right about now.
Yes, it's about to get ugly.
Woo! Woo! Elliot, help!
E.T., no! Leave him alone, Rick! You shut your mouth, fat boy! Woo! Where you going? Huh? Why would you run from me? Why? Woo! No! No! Stop! You're gonna kill him! Woo! Oh my God! Woo! Oh. E.T. doesn't know what hit him. Woo! Ah. Woo! Oh, Ric Flair's climbing to the top. It's going for it. Woo! Ah. He broke his leg. No, E.T.
Don't be a baby.
Woo! Woo!
No.
Oh, it's over. His neck is broken. It's over. Yeah.
That spaceship is out of here. No point in sticking around now.